Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to share complete Jira board by using external share. When we have discussed in the previous video, we have discussed about sharing individual issues. So let's say you want to share this issue list with external customer or the contractors who don't have access of Jira account. You'll be able to see or you will be able to share easily so that they will have access of adding comments, viewing the status and different other fields, attaching attachments as well as adding their own opinion. But what if want to share a bunch of Jira issues externally? Maybe we are working on a project with an external partner or contractor that has multiple issues acquiring for external user attentions. In that type of scenario, external share or Jira allows us to give external user secure temporary access to those issues in three different ways. Either we can share with individually, one by one, otherwise we can share list of issues using Jira Query Language, that is JQL. And third, we can share complete or entire Scrum or Kanban board. If we have a lot of issues to share, we probably don't want to go down to one by one. Rather than we can use JQL or share the complete board. So we'll see here how we can create and share the external share board with contractors or external vendors who is working inside our project in this video. So if you don't know how to share the individual lanes or individual issues with contractors, please watch my previous video. I will also include the URL and description tab so that you will be able to access it easily. For doing this, we have to install external share add-ons into Jira account, which is created by Old Street Solutions. You will find it on the complete detail here where Old State Solution has built an amazing functionality where we can share our complete board or issue with external clients. So when you will go to here, you will find out for Jira and for Confluence. So now for this reason, we are here to discuss about that. If you're visiting this channel at first time, don't forget to click on thumbs up button and subscribing the channel for amazing content like this in future. So when we talk about how to share the external boards, so here we have two options. Either we can create external share board or we can create external share filter. So if we have filter available, we can create external share filter as well. So for after installations, you will be able to see external share link is generated. Click on this and we will be able to see here. So let's create one active sprint and post that we will start sharing this link. So let me create the sprint and end of the sprint will be 12th of April. And now you can see we have these many issues are available. So you can see here these boards are available with us. So what if we want to share this complete board with external customer? So here we have the options to create external share board. Once we'll click on this, we'll be able to see the link has been generated where we can define the name. So right now I am giving a test board and the link name is on the board share descriptions. If you want, you can add it. Here we have several options. So if you are allowing only view comments, so that person whoever is watching this board, they will be able to see just comments. And if you're allowing to add them a comment, they will be able to add the comments as well. Here we have again options for view attachments and add attachments. I am selecting both the options. If we have list linked issues, we are allowing this as well. If you have subtask or share subtask content, we are allowing that as well. What if we want to change the status? So we are allowing them to change the status and allow them to show walk log as well. Post that when we'll click on save, this link has been generated and we can create this test board which is available here. So in future as well, you can copy the URL from here. Let's see how it looks like. Now, when I pasted this link here, you can see exactly same board is listed for me, where we can see to-do lists are available 6, in progress lists are 2, and done are in 23. So whatever boards we have completed, that is also showing here in terms of subtasks and user story, as well as all these user stories are listed here. Now, if we want to edit this board and add some security credentials, we will be able to set it here. If we want to protect this complete board with password, we can generate a random password, and you can see here this password has been generated. So once I will save this, and when I will go back to this link and refresh this page, it will ask with me a password. So without having the password, we won't be able to access this board. So here I pasted the password and clicked on submit button. So suppose that I'm able to see this. Now, if I want to update this defect, instead of status to do, I'm just marking into the UAT status, and post that it will be updated with the UAT status. Now, we have here one user story. If we want to update this user story instead of status to do, I want to make it into the UAT status or UAT board. So here, when I will update the UAT board, the same task will be updated here. So let me check here. Now you can see here, when we have updated the done status, this accidental treatment has been moved to the done status, because we have selected the status here as UAT, but UAT was not there into our board. That's the reason it was not showing. So let's say again, if I want to make the changes into the in progress status, it will update to in progress status, and this item has been moved into the in progress. So we have to refresh this page accordingly, and you can see accidental treatment slide or tile will be moved to the accidental treatment. Even we can update the things on just dragging and dropping from to do to in progress or in done status. So if you can see here, the knee operation is listed into the to do item, and when you can see here, knee operation is listed here. But if I want to update it, I will just drag and drop here, and this will update into my this food as well. Even we can do vice versa, like if I want to move heart operations things to be done, so same thing will be updated to here. So once I will refresh this page, this heart operation will move into the done status. So you can see here, this is listed here, this is listed here. That is how we can update things very quickly without having Jira login credentials, even add the attachments. So if you want to add the attachments, simply we will select any items from here. So let's say I am selecting Jira playlist image here, and you can see this image has been updated successfully. So let me refresh this page. This image is available here. Now, when I will go back to this accidental instance, you can see the exactly same image is available here as well. So this is the power of external share link, which we have created, and we can do whatever we want to do it. Even we can add the restrictions according to our link. So if we want to update in any point of the time, we can restrict it to the user. Whatever actions they are performing, we can restrict it. So in security options, we have the set link expiration date and time. So if we are setting the expiration date and time, that will be available with the external customer for certain durations, whatever we have defined. Let's say we are defining here 1 weeks of time. So this link will be valid with the external user till 1 week. Even we can share this link with send via email. When we'll add this email, and you can see this exactly same format has been generated, and we can share this test board with external customer on email as well. Even transacting Jira issue on shared board, external users will have access to read-only versions of our Agile board and all the issues displayed on it. But with a couple of very powerful exceptions, we can allow external users to add comment, add or attachments to issues, and we can allow external users to change the status of an issue, just like we have did it. The ability to transition issue through the workflow will save time internally and make collaboration with external share even smoother. The fact that in all other respects, the externally shared issues are read only and cannot be changed ensures a healthy balance between our collaborative capabilities and need to maintain internal control of our issues data. So this is how we can create external share board. Even we can create external share filter as well. So when we are clicking an external share filter, you can see these many filters has been selected. So if you can see here in this filter board, we have this SCMS filter is available here. If we want to create a external share filter, we can also do this. So here we have exactly same permissions which we can allow it here. So either we can add comments. So when we are creating a filter, this filter is created based on GQL, that is Jira Query Language, and we can share the same filter with external customer or external user who don't have the access of this board or Jira. So exactly same thing, whatever we have did into board, we can also set it up with the filter as well. And when I will click on save, this external share filter has been created. And you can see here, this complete link has been generated. And when I will paste it here, you will be able to see complete filter is available here. Even we can select one by one issues and see the complete detail. We can update the status. We can see the assignee reporter detail. We can add the attachment files and even we can add the comment. So when we are adding the comment, same comment will be available into our filter board as well. So this is a comment. So if you can see here, we have added this comment and our SCMS 37 defect ID will be updated into our Jira board as well. So let me go to the backlog and you can see here this comment has been successfully updated. So this is the power of external share link which we are generating with the help of Old Street Solutions. They have created this amazing feature where we can create and build solutions for the external user without acquiring the licenses in Jira. So that's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed this content and hope this will be useful for you. If you think so, this is a useful and this will be a game changer. Don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.